Alright, we've started, guys. Today a huge package arrived, a huge package. Let's cut it open and see what's inside the padding. Are you ready to see the brand new Insta360 GO3? Guys, plot twist, let's open it. Oh look, it's beautiful. Almost like the old GO2, but just a bit bigger, I'd say. Let's take a look. The GO2, compared to its smaller sibling, is a bit bulkier. I think this makes the battery last longer. A few things have changed besides the size. Back here we have these mounts, because it can also be mounted with magnetic supports. With the GO3, besides a special case, I need to read the instructions, since there are many new things. Careful magnetic supports. You have to put it on the right side and then into its case, where you insert the camera to recharge it. And this year there's also a little screen. If that was the old one, this is the new one. Still compact, slightly thicker. There's also a button to use, even built into the case with the screen, so you get more battery life, more usage time. And then this magnetic connector also works on this one. Now let's turn it on for the first time with the button. Here it is, the little front screen that shows you what you can see. The new GO3 records in 2.7K, while the previous one only went up to 1080. It has built-in flow state stabilization, just like on the RS, with the option to lock the horizon, and it's also waterproof up to 5 meters. At this point, since we know the main features, I'd say we can go try it out in action on the bike, guys. Because from the little screen you have the preview, you can also start recording, so now we're on the GO3. I'm filming with an action view field of view, which is a bit wider at the top and bottom, making it ideal for biking.
After that, there's also the Ultra mode, which is slightly more compressed, but wider on the sides.
From here, you can tilt, lower, or raise the camera and view the preview directly on the small screen. The audio is excellent, I'm impressed. Even without any kind of microphone cover, you can hear perfectly well, even in the wind. Let's see it in action now and try it out. Going downhill, damn, it broke. The recent water caused a mess. The lighting here is so bad I can barely see. With the glasses, I'm filming in 2.7K at 30 frames. Oh my god, what a big rock. I'm visiting my friend Amit, an ambassador for Insta360. This way I can show you this new gadget in preview. Look here.
And that remote control you have in your hand?
It's the GO3.
Really? They changed the remote control?
No, this is just about the battery, right? I also have the preview screen always connected via Bluetooth. In fact, I was secretly filming you. Let's see what the boys have built here. In the forest. There's a mega drop. A mega jump. You can do this one too. I was worried the ramp would be soft. You guys put a lot of effort into building it. Rodero's downhill starts. But there's still a bit to go. Hey, whoa. Today it's really slippery here. Wow. We're on the street, but let's say you're filming in landscape and you want to switch. Go here. Settings, press on 9/16 and record. We're already filming vertically. Amazing! We're at Motolino. Finally the perfect spot to test the new GO3. I've already put a dead cat here. These windshields have two microphones, one here and one in front, and the audio is good. But for videos, I prefer to eliminate wind noise entirely. The best thing of all is that from here, from our little screen, we can see a live preview of what the camera sees. You can see from here, always. We can change the settings if we want to film vertically, horizontally, 2.7K or something else. And we have all the camera settings. The touch works perfectly, and instead of changing the field of view here, we can see a real-time preview of what it's recording. This way we're ready to go shoot without the hassle of not knowing if we'll actually film what we want to see. Heading straight to the bike. Let's go. look here, look here. Come on, we're here.
From Motolino, guys, the car is loaded with all the G Sport bikes. Ready to go, we're heading to Innsbruck.
Because there's the Crankworx course, we're finally going. We have a super light camera on the helmet. Now let's check out the perfect view here. I'll put this away and let's go send it on the whip-off jump we're doing. Let's go in a train, that's what they call it, when we both start off together, just like this. Bye, wow. Oh my god, guys, wow, we both went flying up into the sky.
These two are legends. I think they flew 5 meters when they landed. Danny landed even farther than me.
We've got vlog mode, guys, with the little screen.
Now we're about to see the podium for the whip-off finale. Look at it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. After 5 or 6 years of Crankworx in Innsbruck, we're finally trying the track with the bike for the first time. Okay, let's go. Watch out, this Rapinator. If this is a slang or inside joke, clarify its meaning. Oh, right away. Wow, this line is cool. Guys, yo, oh man, where did you go? Damn, are you crazy? The bro, oh. Damn, I'm just throwing myself around randomly, guys. Ah, careful, that's how the downhill in Innsbruck ends. Thank you, guys.
So guys, I hope I was able to explain all the features of this camera to you as best as possible.
There are even more options, including the free frame mode, which allows you to basically film in a circle. Okay, now we're in free frame mode. With this, you can change the video format however you like. Vertical, horizontal, whatever you prefer. This is helpful if you can only run it once and need the video in a social format like vertical or 16:9. Another thing I haven't told you is that this new GO3 has voice control. For now, it's only available in English. Look, Marty, start recording. Did you see? Stop recording. Now you don't need to press the button. If your hands are full, like when biking and you want to film, just call it and it starts recording. So the keyword for this Insta360 GO3 is versatility, because it's really useful for doing different things.
You can pick it up and move it, do and redo things, it's really convenient.
I'll see you in the next video in a few days, so stay tuned. See you next time. Awesome.